1. Introduction to computers. Magic carpet. Places where computers are used. The computer system. Secondary storage devices. Hardware and software. Types of software. My computer is not working. My father says there's some problem with the new software that was installed on it yesterday. I am a little confused. What is software? What does it do? A computer is the smartest invention of the 21st century. It is an electronic machine, hardware, that works under the instructions given to it, software. It can accept data, input, work on the data, process as per the given instructions and give the required information, output. It can store data and information in its memory for our future use. Nowadays, computers are used in almost all the places because it can do various works for us. Let us study about a few places where computers are being used to do various works. School. For preparing lesson plans, test papers, timetables. They are a great source of information and latest updates for the teacher and the students. They are used to maintain the records of the students on a regular basis. Railway stations and airports. To keep a record of the passengers, generate tickets and keep a track of the movement of the trains and flights. Home. To help us in studies, to keep us aware of the latest information around the world, to order for things online, listen to music, watch movies and cartoons, etc. Hospitals. To help in the diagnosis of diseases and proper treatment of the patients and keep their record. To keep the doctors updated with the latest developments in the world of medicines. Shops and malls. To keep a record of stocks of items, prepare bills, accept and execute orders received online, write letters and emails, and so on. Banks. To maintain the accounts of the customers and keep their records. To help in the withdrawal and deposit of money through ATMs. Apart from the above mentioned places, there are many other places where computers are being used. The book you are reading has been printed by using a computer. Characteristics of a computer. High speed. Computer is a very fast device. It is capable of performing calculations of very large amount of data. It can perform millions of calculations in a few seconds. Accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate. Computers perform all jobs with 100% accuracy if correct input is given. Storage capacity. A computer can store large amount of data. It can store images, videos, text, audios, etc. Diligence. A computer never gets tired or bored. It can work continuously without any error and perform repeated tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Versatility. A computer is a very versatile machine. It can perform different tasks at the same time. At one instance, it may be solving a complex mathematical problem and the very next moment, it may be playing video game. Functions of a computer. The computer performs the functions given below. Takes data as input through the input devices. Stores the data, instructions in its memory and uses them as required. Process the data and changes it into useful information. Generates the output and displays it on the output devices. We call this IPO cycle. We shall discuss it in detail later in the chapter. The computer system. A computer system has three main units. 1. Input unit. 2. Processing unit. 3. Output unit. Input unit. Input refers to the data and commands that we give to the computer. The input unit consists of the different parts or devices of the computer which are used in giving input. These devices are also called input devices. For example, a list of the names of the students in your class is data. We can enter this data into a computer through keyboard and mouse. Other input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, processing unit. Just as we have a brain which controls all the actions of our body, a computer has a CPU, Central Processing Unit. It processes and changes the entered data into meaningful information. That is why it is called the brain of the computer. Output unit. We need to see or know the result of the processing done by the computer. Output unit is used to display the result after processing. Some examples of output devices are monitor, printer, projector, speakers, etc. Now, let us understand the working of a computer through the picture given below. Let us understand this process by taking an example of baking a cake. The same happens in your computer too. Let us see what happens. Fact Genie. The output of a computer printed on paper and given to us is called hard copy. The output of a computer that we see on the monitor screen is called soft copy. Secondary storage devices. We need to store the instructions given to the computer from time to time. We often need to store the processed information for future use. Those devices that store data and instructions are called secondary storage devices. Let us know about some secondary storage devices. The main secondary storage device of a computer is hard disk. It can store all the work done on the computer. It is present inside the CPU box. CD, compact disc, is used to store lots of data. It is used to store sounds, programs, images and videos. Most of the songs and games are stored in CD. DVD, digital versatile disc, looks just like a CD, but it can store more data than a CD. It can store many movies. Both the CD and DVD work when they are inserted in a CD/DVD drive. Pen drive is a small secondary storage device. It works when inserted in the USB Universal Serial Bus. You can easily carry it in your pocket. It is useful in transferring data from one computer to another computer. Hardware and software. For the proper functioning of the computer, we need two essential parts. The parts are hardware, software. Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer. We can touch and hold these devices. They can be placed inside or outside of the computer. Some examples of hardware devices are keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, and hard disk. Software. A computer cannot work only with hardware. It needs to be given instructions. Those set of instructions given to the computer to do any work are called software or programs. Fact Genie. Hua Kien Singh is said to have invented the first pen drive. These cannot be touched. They are stored in storage devices. Some examples of software are MS Paint, Tux Paint, WordPad, Windows, etc. Types of software. Software can be classified into two categories depending upon the function they are designed to perform. They are system software, application software. The built-in software which controls the overall working of the computer is called system software. It manages and controls all the activities happening in the computer system. No computer can work without the system software. The most popular operating system is Windows operating system. Those software or programs which are designed to do a specific type of work are called application software. You can find many application software in a computer. Calculator for performing calculations, WordPad for creating documents, Paint for drawing and coloring are some of the examples of application software. Fact Genie. Those people who make computer programs, software, are called programmers. Magic Scroll. A computer system has three main units: input unit, processing unit, and output unit. Input unit helps us to communicate with the computer. Processing unit is also called the brain of the computer. Those devices that store data and instructions are called storage devices. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer. Software refers to the set of instructions given to the computer to do any work. A. Put a